Welcome back to Content King. Today I did a little experimenting. I found out that my parents were out of town, and I said, they have such a beautiful house. I'm just going to bring all my film equipment there and look for spots to film. None of the places that I thought would look good because the vibe is just off. It's just not me. So I just set it up, and here we are in what I think is a beautiful living room. Anyway, now we're here. We're filming content. It's a good day. So welcome to my parents' house, my new video studio for the week, and enjoy. So today we're talking about the meeting with the CEO. Now with this one strategy, you'll never run out of post ideas again. By taking this advice, you no longer have the luxury of scrolling TikTok or Reels for fun. No, every time you open the app, you're now a student. So first, look in your calendar and find 1 hour per week that you can consistently attend. This will be your meeting with the CEO. Did I mention that that is also you? And it's got a really formal name because just don't miss this meeting, okay? The topic of this meeting will change over time, but for now, it'll be used to audit content. Now, even though your meeting with the CEO may be scheduled for next week, I want you to try it tonight or as soon as possible. Okay, so tonight or whenever your next scrolling window comes about, scroll through and find content from creators that are doing what you want to do and take notes. I want to see which ones hooked you into the end and dissecting their posts, right? I'm talking, what was their first sentence? Write it down. Did they have a little text? Write it down. What was in their description? Write it down. How was their lighting? Were they inside or outside? Did they teach, sell, share? Were they smiling, laughing, crying, angry? Did they say something to stir the pot? Did they have a call to action like comment your thoughts below? Maybe they just spoke about a topic that I have thoughts on. I want you pulling details out of every post that performs well in your niche and devour them. In my notebook, yes, I have a literal notebook. I have hundreds of pages of notes, and I still do this every week. So my process for this is to pull out my phone whenever I'm bored or have time and just scroll. And if I see a post with things I like, I just bookmark them. So from now on, bookmarking is solely reserved for this purpose. Do not use your bookmarks on this account for anything else, okay? And some people say, well, I shouldn't copy everyone else's content, right? Wrong. In order to succeed and eventually learn how to stand out, you must first understand what the current state of your niche is. What's trending now? Who's trending now? What's working? What's not working? Just get in there, find videos of people who are doing what you want to do, and comment, like, watch, and bookmark. Then once a week in your meeting with the CEO, sit down and scroll through your bookmarked videos from the last week and tear apart each one, like I mentioned above. No rubric, just write down what was good about the video, why you kept watching. And the reason why this is so good, impactful work is because these are videos that are doing well now, literally over the last week. Like, these aren't videos that performed well when this video was published, and now you can do this every week forever, and you'll always be caught up on what's hot and trending. So no more scrolling through homesteading videos or podcast clips. No. Every time you open the app, you are a student. To take it one step further, on this specific account that you run for your business, do not follow any accounts outside of your niche. Yes, even if they're super entertaining. You see, your job is to now master the most addictive app ever made. And if you allow its addictive and distracting nature to grab hold of you, it's a sure way to tank any hope your business had of succeeding. I can't tell you how many wasted nights I've had with the intentions of working, but then I got sucked in. Now, as long as you are taking my advice, I want you scrolling and bookmarking videos that grab you or that literally perform just really well, okay? Then choose a night this week to go through them all. Pretty soon, I'll teach you the right way to audit content, but you don't need any other direction to start this practice now. So after all that, write this down. Schedule your weekly meeting with the CEO. Then this week, as you scroll, follow creators that are doing what you want to be doing and bookmark only the posts that you found to be effective in some way. Then tonight, or as soon as you can, review the bookmarked videos and take notes. I do this for an hour, which typically means about 20 posts. We'll talk about what to do with these notes later, but start the practice now. So have some fun, and I will see you tomorrow.